lift it and look at those beautiful vegan vanilla cupcakes. We need to add and stir in the flour. So that's 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour. Okay, next you need to add 1 cup of sugar into the mix. And then you need to add 1 tablespoon of baking powder, followed by a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 3/4 cup of non-dairy milk. We are using almond milk, followed by 1/4 cup plus 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. A 1/4 cup of applesauce, 1/4 cup of water. Is 2 tablespoons of vanilla bean paste. We're using the extract. So we're going to squeeze those in. Okay, step 3. We need to mix the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients and gently whisk together until the batter is evenly hydrated and fairly smooth. So go for it. Just go around in a circular motion. Spray it with some coconut oil or extra virgin olive oil, so that way the muffin mixture doesn't stick. Just put a good quantity in each cup. Okay, so we're done now. So what we need to do is put the tray of the cupcakes into the oven. Oven's at 180, remember? And they go there for about 20 minutes. And what you need to do is just put a toothpick in the middle. If it comes out cleanly, we know it's good to go. And then 2 trays. So there we go. Make sure that your tray is halfway through. 20 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit or 180 Celsius. Done. Oops, wrong gloves. Make sure you get gloves ready because guess what? The cupcakes are ready. So where is my, here it is, my little tester, wrong toothpick. Okay. Take a look at these. Just punch it in. Comes out clean. That means they're right to go. Okay, make sure you get your gloves on in case you need to box the cupcakes. And don't forget about my boxing video. I brought a link up here where you can do your boxing for 20 minutes cardio workout. And just over there, I also put the kickboxing as well. Okay, look at that. This will give us plenty of energy when we're doing my 20-minute workouts. complete. Okay, our next step, we're going to make the nice buttercream and blueberry ice. Steady hand and just go around in circles. Doesn't matter if it's clockwise or anti-clockwise until you come in the middle. So here we go, we're going to put the raspberries right in the middle. Now we've completed our vegan vanilla cupcakes in buttercream, and we've got blueberries and raspberries and mints to look beautiful, very Christmassy. Let the kids have fun. You can see exactly what we've done here. I'm going to lift it and look at those beautiful vegan vanilla cupcakes. So have a go. These are as healthy as you can really get them when you use low calorie and far as sugars, fresh fruit, no eggs, no milk. So considering they're pretty healthy cupcakes. Give them a go. Thank you for watching another episode of Let's Cook with the Wet Loss King. And please like and subscribe my video. And any questions, I always reply to your comments. And if any way I can help you, just let me know. But just give it a go, have fun, Merry Christmas, and try your vegan vanilla cupcakes. Oops, don't gloves. Make sure you get gloves ready because guess what?